Alright guys, this is one of the next builds I'm going to have on the bench. It's a USS Wisconsin BB 64. Now this ship is actually in dock in Virginia Beach, and you actually can walk on it and tour it, and I'm going to put some pictures of when I was there and I actually got to see it and actually get to go down inside of it. I think now it's probably been about 9 years. I think now you probably can see a lot more than what I could then. The reason why you couldn't see it was because it wasn't accessible for everybody, and they said they were working on it, so probably now you can actually go through more than what I got to see. But anyhow, it was very cool. So, got your pretty much your basic instructions. Good enough for what I need. And you get these cool flex files. They come with Atlantis kits. Haven't tried that yet, so it'd be nice to try. Got all the flags for the runners. Got a total of a couple decals. First out of the bag is the two main parts. Your top and your bottom. We got the cool Atlantis Made in America, Made in USA stamp on the inside. So yep, you could walk all the way up to here. Couldn't go past that, but you got to walk up in here. Now you got to go down somewhere in there and walk in the back. Really cool if you're ever in the area. Next sprue is a lot of guns. You get the airplane hoist. You got the base, some cannons, some more rigging. The only thing that didn't make it out of the bag is one of the turrets and another base. So it's not a ton to this kit, but I plan on making it into diorama, and I'm going to try something different with the video when I actually make this. So hopefully it turns out. I'll probably show a little bit more of the entire process. Show building the diorama and building the kit. So if there's anything that you guys want to see me do on this video, let me know in the comments to this one, and once I get to it I'll know what to include into it. That'll help out a lot. So it's got 71 parts in this one. Nice display ship on the bottom. When I was behind it, I actually didn't look at the bottom, but after I got it, I looked at it. It's pretty cool. I did not see any runners or rigging. I'll have to look and see if I got some somewhere else. I don't do a whole lot of ships, so I don't have any of that on hand I know of, but I think I do have something that'll work just fine. Alright, short and sweet. I'll talk to you guys when I start working on it.